Hey everyone, welcome to Aussie Linux Gamer Guy.
Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of my video. Let me fix this up. Good. There we go, happy days. So on this one, today what we're going to be installing is for the Ascension fans. Let's go, let's get Ascension in. So first thing first is we'll be going onto Brave. So just search a thing. If you didn't put Brave on the thing like I didn't, go Brave or your web browser, whichever one you prefer. I was just checking up everything on my AMD driver. So you go ASCEN Ascension WoW LUTRIS. Okay, go Lutris. Up. Yeah, they're for lunch today, mate. Open in Lutris. Now, actually, let's cancel that because I jumped ahead. I skipped the most important thing for you. So what you want to do is like when we installed Warcraft, we had it on Proton CachyOS latest. What you want to do here is put it as YG 826 x86 64-bit. Okay? Or Ascension might install. So you just click Ascension, click open Lutris, click install, continue, install, and let it do its thing. Remember, like always, just don't load in. Well, okay, once Lutris decides to find the files are working, it's next, click next, next. Create shortcut if you want. I don't. That's it. Let this run its course. And we are done. So we don't click launch. We just click finish. Let that installation finish. There it is, guys. Add your favorite pretty picture in there. I do. So what I do to add my pretty picture in there is we go to configure. The locations, like what I want to see where make sure you download something nice. I think mine was in maybe. I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? There it is. Open. There we go. Ascension WoW. Alright, so that's what I like. There you go. So click play. Alright, and there you go. Ascension loads up. Boom. Yeah. That fucking easy, guys. That easy. Already a member, log in. Alright, I'll log in. Let me. Fuck it. I don't care. It's only Ascension. Sorry, my child is in the background getting in trouble. I think that's my right password. Nope, that wasn't the right password. Hang out. Right password. Oh, what happened if I knew my right password? What in that? Ascension GG. Oh, it's that one. What was the other one? They'll probably ask me for my thing. Oh no, it's already in. Sweet, because it remembers my IP. And that's it, guys. So just click install. So just hit install. Click, yep, that's where I want it. Yep, English, yep. Borderless, yep. That's how big I want it. I know I play classic. I don't really. Yeah, I don't like the modern stuff anymore. I've been there, done that. More classic. So we'll just install and I'll get back to you. Alright, we're in. Sorry, I was playing some bounce with me son. I was waiting. So we're in. So what we're going to do is go to bronze B because that's where all my characters are. Even though it says I've got... Wait. What the hell? What happened to all my characters? Okay. Unless I'm on the wrong account. I might be the wrong account. Yeah, I think that's the wrong account. Anyway, what I'm going to do is figure out what happened. Oh, yeah, I'm on the wrong account. Ah, bugger. Log out. Can't remember my account now. See. Sorry, guys. I wanted to show you some gameplay and I forgot my account name. Let's put my username in. Lutris. At least I remember the password for the old account now. That's funny. Alright, Google Auth. Where's me Authy? I don't care about this again. No. Authenticator. Wrong one. Oh, now it changed. Didn't change my password. Alright, so anyway, it's in now, guys, so you can see. What we're going to do is play now. I'm having a heart attack on my way. I got my level 60 and my level 40 rogue on there. What the hell? What the hell? Alright, so I'm going in. Alright, so let's do some gameplay. I'll show you. We'll go to Ogrimmar. Don't know what the quality is going to look like on the video, guys, because I haven't really set it up. But you see, we're in. We are our videos up. Everything's going. Alright. I normally fix my UI up after an install. But you can see it's like, yeah, had a lot of gameplay. I'm level 40 something, I think. 24. We've got reputation. We are pretty much exalted with everything. PvP. Ranked on rank 6. I'm working into rank 6, I think. Yeah, let's have a think. I can't remember now. I'm working into rank 6, so I've got first sergeant. Anyway, guys, that's Ascension. So we've done our last one on Bronzebird. Now, let's go over to Steam for the Steam games. Do you want to load up Steam? Hang on, Buster. Steam's pretty self-explanatory. I only have to do it on one game, and then you'll see it going. So what we're going to do it on is Ashes of Creation, just so you can see that one working. So again, you just go to Properties on Steam. Right, Capability. Make sure this is ticked. I already ticked it on the last video. We just go to Hotfix, Experimental, or Latest. Okay. What I'm gonna try actually. I know I know Experimental and Hotfix work. I think it's Hotfix. I can't remember. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try Latest. I'm gonna see what happens with that run. With that one. All right. So just click Install. I'm gonna put it on here. All right. Accept, and we'll let that download. So while that downloads, guys, I will fast forward it, and we'll see if it worked. All right. So it went in. So But then guys, Ash's Creations in. Before I get in this, I'm going to do a quick disclaimer. Could you drop $65 on it now, or whatever it is now? If you really want to play it, yes. If not, and you want to wait, no. It's depends on how you want to play it. Like it's a hard decision for me. It reminds me of what was it called? I got it in my list here. New World. It reminds me of New World gameplay style. But if you like it that style, you like it. That's good. Let's see if it loads anyway. Graphics wise on Linux, it does play up. And you got to remember that this is in an alpha. So it is just going to look pretty shitty on Linux for a little while until they get it running a little bit better with the Proton. Come on. Gotta wait and see if it loads though. Oh, that do. Then we're doing something. And it works. Happy days, guys. So everything's working so far on CachyOS Proton GE. So all you have to do is like launch game. Game's running right. It'll like reload here. It'll load. There you go. Here's your game. Because it's playing window mode, this plays up here. It's a bit of a pain in the ass sometimes. Let the game load. There it goes, loading up. And that is Ashes of Creation installed and running. So what's next, guys? That pretty much sums it up. It's just like that. Newer games, you use the latest Protons. Older games, use your older Protons. Experiment. Yeah. If it don't work, go lower. If it don't work still, go lower. If it's still not working, go lower. If it's still not working, go out to AI. That's all I can say. That's how it works, alright? Simple as that. Go look on Reddit and all that. You'll get your answers there. But I'll show you gameplay of this. Hopefully, like I said, it might look pretty crappy on my thing, but give it a stream because I haven't really set up OBS properly. But have a look anyway. I will do updated video of the games, but it's just solely just to show you that it's working. Okay. No fancy graphics or anything like that. Fresh install, whacked it in, 2 videos in one day. This video has been released in the new year. So graphic wise, this game's great. Gameplay is not my cup of tea. Alright, so there you go, you got early access, yeah, got off alright. So until I move, it does look pretty good. Now that I move. So, it does look okay. Gameplay's pretty good. You got your W, growth. There's a little bit of graphical issues in the shadows and all that with on Linux. But, what do you expect from an alpha? Not any expect glories. Anyway, guys, that is it for that. Is there anything else we need to install? One more. We have one more game we can install. Alright. So, for the World of Warcraft fans that are on Warcraft but are looking for a free server. I don't endorse this one. I get nothing from it. I've forgotten the name of it. Hang on. What was it called? 1 second. Sorry. Alright, so if you're looking for a free server that's playing the War Within, we have Firestorm. Right, Firestorm, well, it should come up. There it is there. Okay. Now, before you can play, before you can download, you have to create an account. So just create your account, log in. I don't really play this. I only play this one with my son. Oh shit, I forgot to verify. I only play this one with my son. So what you want to do is just like you log in, right? Yeah. Where do we get it? I'll have to do all that shit later. Blizzard. Join us. Download the launcher. Now, what I'm going to do with that is we're going to go back into Steam. And this only runs through Steam. I can't get it running through Lutris. I have tried. I can't get it running through Lutris. I'll give you an example. So if we put it through Lutris, actually no, I can't. I don't want to fuck up Lutris. All right, so you just go add game in Steam, add non-Steam game. All right, browse, look for your launcher, wherever it went, downloads, launcher, click open, add selected. Okay, let's scroll down, it's here. This will run on, since Ashes worked on that, it might work on the same capability, so let's go for it. What do you reckon, guys? All right, let's do that, click play. If it doesn't, it will stop working. All right, so only me, streaming user, whatever. All right, so just install it. Run, Firestorm. Click run. Okay, because you might fucking find it. Like that. Now it's going to install here. Now, while that does that, what you want to do is go to folders. All right, home, your home directory. Press oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I clicked that off by accident. Oh, no, I didn't. There it is. How do we get our hidden folders up again? I can't remember. Yeah. There it is. All right, so press Control H to show your hidden folders. Go to .steam. Okay. Steam again. All right. Oh yeah. Steam. I think it's Steam Apps. I think. Let me get them here. Comment data. All right, it'll be one of these two here. So I think it might be this one. Fix. Program x86. No. No, I think that one is for the other game. Oops. That's data. Fix. C drive. Nope. Nope. It's more like you gotta dig through to find them. Once you find them, app data, Google, there it is. All right, so that's the launcher there. Okay, that's the installer. That's pending. Okay. So this is in. So what we're going to do is click install. There's about 17,000 people online now. Just click install. Yep. Yada, yada, yada. Done. All right. Let that go in. Once that goes in, now we're in the right folder, right? And what we're going to do is type, we're in the right folder. That's the launcher. That's setup, right? So let's go here. Local. Temp. Okay. That's all. It's in here. We just got to find it. There you go. Boom. All right. So what we're going to do now is this one here. So we copy this. C. A game. Again. A non-Steam game. Browse. Now. Go. Bang. All right. There it is there. Boom. Add selected. There it is. Same thing again. It's properties. Capabilities. Force. Proton Cachy latest. Done. Okay. So once this installs, you do not remove this. Don't delete it. It stays there. It's there forever. It's there to annoy the living guts out of you like it does to me. All right. So, but you never run it again. You just run this one here. And what I do with this one is add to favorites. Boom. And that way, disappeared for good. Finally gone. Bye. See you later. Thanks for coming. So we'll let that install, guys, and I'll show you that installed and playing. And yeah, that'll be the end of this video. Catch you soon. Alrighty, so that's downloaded, guys. So let's let that do its thing. Was it downloaded? It's done. Done. Alright, so this has a lot of servers on it. The War Within, this is the only one I could find. I was too lazy to go and look. But it does have Lich King, which is dead. It has Cataclysm, which is dead. It has Ventoria, Warlord's Draenor, dead. Legion, dead. Battle Azeroth, dead. Shadowlands, dead. Dragonflight, But the reason why I've done this is because we don't really want to pay my son account when he's not going to be playing it too much. So that's what we did. So if you want to introduce anyone to Warcraft, this is probably the best way of doing it. Instead of forcing them to pay $30 a month and then they're not going to like it. Done. Alright, so that's it. So we go in, don't worry about the scenes, go whatever, Trevor. Gotta log in again. And we'll make sure log in. It will do it like this. This is right. Yeah, that's it. So, up 16 is closed. 1, 9, 10. Run you. This guy. We're running with this fucking movie scanner. Again, like I said, graphics aren't set. Everything's basic. It's fresh installed. I'll probably do an update video or the installs and some gameplays later. So, just log in. We'll have a look. I was leveling in Dragonflight. And yep, that looks pretty good. Pretty cute. Latency from Australia is a bit meh. How you going? But you can fix that up. So anyway, that's my wife and my son, so that's who I play with. That's it. That's it, guys. That's all the games I wanted to show you that I play that I know works. I'll show you what else I know works. Definitely Dead by Daylight works. Final Fantasies, remakes, Rebirth. Final Fantasy fans, I will get back to you on that one. I'm still trying to figure that one out. It has some hiccups and some hurdles that I'm trying to get around. PoE, I'm not sure that one. I haven't tested yet. Okay, I've got to get back to you on that one. What else we got here, guys? That I actually play. Now, Counter-Strike CS. I think the latest one that's in tournament is the one that works. I can't remember what it is. I'll see if I can find it on the store. I know one of the CS games work. Right, CS. It might be Counter-Strike too. Think. Not sure, but I think Counter-Strike 2 works. Don't hold me to it. Just try it. Give it a go. If it don't work, it don't work. Just leave it at that. But it should, because New World works. I was playing that the other day on Linux. PUBG. I wouldn't hold my breath. Fortnite, no. Usual stuff, Fortnite. Oh. No, it doesn't. I was going to say Valorant, but no, Valorant don't work yet. Yet. One of the biggest teams in Europe have switched to Linux for Counter-Strike, but I can't remember the full details of it. I might do a YouTube video about all that. So hopefully the tournament players start using Linux for more thorough and higher FPS. It will probably start forcing the games into going to Linux for the dollars. But anyway, guys, I hope that helped you. And yeah, remember to give me a like, subscribe, thumbs up, or whatever it is. Yeah, comment below. Tell me if it's good, if it helps you, what games you're playing on it. I'd love to know what games you're playing, because it'll help me as well weed out what it is, and I can, in future videos, I can say recommend. I can probably say I'll you know, might recommend mention you in the next video of what games are working. So yeah, just let me know, and we'll go from there. Again, guys, I hope you like my videos. They're raw, they're uncut, they're unedited, so you're seeing everything as what I'm learning, you're learning, we're all doing it, learning together. Very minimal mistakes by myself, because I actually do look into things before I actually just jump in and do it. No AI helps, no nothing. And remember, guys, don't be shy to use AI. Okay, it will have the answers there for you. All you got to do is properly prompt what's going on, and it will find a way around it. It's just that the AI likes using console. Get ready for that if you do that. But yeah, I think that's it. So until my next video, guys, enjoy 2026, and I will see you in my next video, which will probably be like office software and all that stuff. Free video editing, since Windows sucks. Alright, guys. Oh well, we'll leave it at that. All the best. Take care. Bye.